do without me.
Has your measurometer discovered the counter frequency?
Not yet. We have to stall Justin.
Who are you? Dreamboat Express. I hate that name. And we challenge you to a sing-off.
What are they doing here?
You should expect the expected and nothing more. Cause you've all heard this song and dance before. Our moves are stale, our harmony's bland. Cause we're just another generic boy band.
Wow, they're pretty good. I'd love to meet those guys someday.
I've got a bold confession, and I think it's time you knew. I'm into you, specifically, girl, and no other girl will do.
He's talking about me! In the face!
Yo, we're bringing it weekend, we're bringing it lame. Whatever we can do to keep it all the same. We're focused, tested, and radio friendly.
The only thing that matters is that we stay trendy.
You're unique, you're complex and interesting, girl, and I'm not being hyperbolic. Let's carve our name into a tree. It's vandalism, but symbolic.
You should expect the expected and nothing more. Cause you've all heard this song and dance before. Our phony baloney, the image is bland. Cause we're just another generic boy band.
Won't you please be my special girl? We'll do the things you wanna do. Then take a trip to that place you like and be home before curfew.
The counter frequency! Of course! I should have known all along!
Drop that generic fat beat.
Not rock and roll.
Ladies, prepare for the bad boy musical
Stylings
stylings
of Donitude.
But now we're here to make you believers. So we get crew, rocking with the chemistry.
Grubby boy band music is the enemy.
What happened? Where are we? I don't know. Listen to that sweet guitar solo.
The power rock ballad has freed me from the evil spell of mind control. Now I can move into an industry where I won't be exploited by unscrupulous producers. Hello, humiliating reality TV series.
Oh no, I'm ruined.
We're here! We're doing it too! I know you may find us crude and rude. We have to conclude, you come unglued. Now that you've heard us,
Donitude.